Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to do quizzes on the Evergreen application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Now tap on the Explore option down below, which is the second option, and then here you can find the quiz games section, so tap on See All in order to select a game that you want to do. These are organized into categories such as food and drink, likes and dislikes, personality traits, travel and vacation, and so on. Here you can find the new ones. So tap on a relevant one that you want to do, click on the next button and tap on Next. Here you can see a question. You have 4 options, so it's a multiple choice option, and after you have selected, you need to answer for your partner as well, and then you will be able to see the result as well. So here you will be able to find the in progress section, meaning that the quizzes that are in progress, so that you are doing, will appear here at this section. And the third section is the completed section. So if you complete a quiz totally, meaning that you answer all of the questions included in that particular quiz, they will appear at this section, so you can keep track of the quizzes of this application. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.